the number of tools that are available from the course that can let you sort of manage your day-to-day work, but also think about your future and your career.
The coaching aspect showed me that all you need to do is ask the right questions. You don't need to necessarily have the right answers. The answers are going to be there and they're going to present themselves.
The company is more profitable, we're making more revenue, and most importantly, the amount of stress that was inside the company has changed to almost nothing.
I think a lot of times when we're at work, we get caught up in the day-to-day and we're not thinking about the tools that we can use to really help us manage our jobs better, help us manage our people better, and sort of create the results that we want to see.
The inner vision, trying to understand different people's views and what drives and motivates them.
For the first time, the company was running smoothly, all the customers were happy, sales were good, the employees were not only getting their job done, but they were also working on bigger projects at the same time, all without daily direction. And that's really been the greatest contribution that the Dale Carnegie course has made to our company.